This short video will help you find the latest market news and data on Charles Stanley Direct. On the top line navigation, click Market Data. You'll then be taken to a page with a number of components. At the top, you have a choice of whether to view index or sector data. The index data will show you a measure of the performance of a subset of the stock market. Sectors also show performance, but this time groups of companies that trade in the same field, like banks or media. Let's have a closer look at the index data by using the FTSE 100 as an example. But you can click on the tabs to see other indexes like the FTSE Mid 250 or even the FTSE All Share. Here you'll see the headline increase or decrease on the tab. If you scroll down, you'll see the top risers and fallers. Scrolling down further will give you access to the charts. You can select a time frame or even add up to 5 comparators, which can either be shares or sectors. If you go back near the top right, you have an option of viewing all the constituents of your chosen index, along with their change in price both in pence and percentage terms from the previous trading day. Moving to sectors, you'll see a list of 37. You can then click on the one which you're interested in. This time we'll use chemicals as the example. Clicking on chemicals will bring up a list of the companies in this particular sector, and you'll be able to see the share price for each, along with the change on the day, both in terms of pence and in percentage terms. You can even click on the company name to see the detailed information. If you scroll down further, you'll see a chart showing you the performance of the sector. Once again, you can select the time frame in which you're interested in, as well as sector and the share comparators. If you need any help with this page, you're welcome to ask questions by secure message to the help desk via this button here.